Hey, it's Jennifer, and I just want to tell you for at least 25 years of my life, I lived with this little feeling in my gut like something urgent was calling me, like there was more to life, there was more meaning, more fulfillment, but even that there was a pathway calling me. Have you ever felt that? And I also started to understand after years of taking programs that I would give my power away to the person leading it like they were my guru. And at some point, it just hit me, I don't want to do that anymore. I really was designed to be my own guru. Who's teaching that? And then there was this feeling like, I know, and maybe you felt this way too. I know that there's a more efficient way than constantly excavating, analyzing, getting rid of old stuff, even to the point of when I was a nutritionist, excavating and analyzing what I eat. Everything seemed like really, really hard work. And it seemed also like there were ups and downs of drama. And I would have the miraculous happen, or I would have amazing things happen, but it was so inconsistent. It was a little bit disconcerting. Meanwhile, my cells knew it was possible. And I had to realize that I had to go on my own journey about this because I didn't see it out there. There was nothing coming from a place of learning how to thrive because didn't I actually do all of that because I thought that if I would excavate, analyze, do all this stuff, I would someday get to thriving, even doing long-winded processes to get there. Well, I've realized through my studies with the laws of physics, and I went to study with some biophysicists, some biologists. I went to study with some, I would say, mystics and some really, really wise, sage people who started movements in the world. And what happened was I started to realize that they have some things in common. And I started to collect the things that seemed to cause the greatest leaps with the least amount of effort. And the laws of physics basically underlay all of those things. What the laws of physics say is one, you trying hard, looking at all your problems, me trying hard, looking at all my problems, basically gives you more magnetics towards problems, and you'll always find something. You'll be bipping along, and all of a sudden it'll just show up again. You'll have the satisfaction of the aha, never actually truly getting to an embodied state of flow, effortlessness, and just the miraculous coming to you. But that's what I wanted for myself. So that's what I did. And all of a sudden, I got married to someone that was unexpected, but the love of my life. I started to see a financial flow. Like even now, I look at my bank account and I think, wow, I never would have thought I would be able to pay Visa bills that were so high and love it. We've taught our courses, we've taught embodiment, the program that actually gives you the experience of the thriving operating system, which is what I put together after I realized that this was a thing. It wasn't just me, it was a thing. So I've taught it in 35 different countries to over 55,000 people. We have been so blessed to be able to show everyone from, you know, a young couple all the way up to a very experienced doctor, and scientists and ministers have taken our programs because we marry science and spirituality, because that's what it took for me. My brain had to have peace about the spiritual stuff through the science. And so I understood the science of spirituality. So we apply very pragmatic processes that allow you to get firsthand experience, so that, like riding a bike, you don't have to be told how to ride the bike and then fall off all the time. We're actually going to go and ride the bike with the training wheels, then we're going to ride the bike, and you can shift just like I did. And just like 55,000 of our clients have, you can shift your default magnetics to a whole other way of being. We'll teach you the entire thriving operating system. And I don't know anyone else that's actually teaching this, understanding the science and the spirituality, but actually coming from the place of thriving and the skills to be able to thrive. What happens is you transmute hundreds of stuck beliefs at a time, and you don't even have to know about them half the time unless it presents to. And then we work through it together. It's all achievable through embodiment. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. It's designed to let you have a permanent cellular shift, not keep coming back to old patterns all the time. And you have a community around you that supports you. All you need to do is register for the Embodiment Workshop. You'll see the link right below, and I can't wait to see you there. It really is quite something. See you soon.